Hello students, I'm Mrs. Cristan and today I am going to be teaching you how to use Google Classroom. So I have a little presentation here that I'm going to show you to start off. So we are looking at the 5 pillars of technology. That is something that we're doing for our class, but I want you to understand that there's different ways for us as teachers to be able to teach you to use technology. So we're going to focus on LMS Container. And I chose to teach you about Google Classrooms. So how to access Google Classrooms. I have written step-by-step instructions in the PowerPoint to give you information. Okay, there's also Google Classroom classwork and Google Classroom calendar grades. So let's take a look at Google Classrooms. First, you will need to go to the little plus sign right here. We already have learned about this, so click it, left click, and using your computer, right, or your Chromebook, we will look for this right here. Okay, little dots. We've been referring to it as a waffle. So you are going to scroll all the way down and you're going to look to your left and there it is. Google, this is our classroom. So you will see on the left side, it says Mrs. Cristan's class. So click on that. Mrs. Cristan's class. Now I will have this class code posted on the smartboard, okay? So once you click, you put in your class code, you'll be able to access the classroom. So let's take a look at the top part right here, classwork. Here you will find assignments. They will be listed from the latest assignment to the well, actually not the latest. This April 16th would have been when it's due, right? And then it's going to go all the way up to April 19th, which is today's date. You will also find your grades. Okay? But before we look at our grades, let's take a look at our calendar, Google Calendar. This will give you information on all the assignments that are due when they're due, okay? Now let's go back, classwork, and look at our grades. So always remember to check when your grades are due, okay? Thank you so much for watching.